Your pursuit of affiliate marketing can bring the profits. Affiliate marketing is a brilliant concept that is quite simple. Business A has a website and hosts an advertisement with a direct link to Business B. Business B does the same thing for Business A on their website. Both businesses benefit. This video can help to expand on the concept to increase traffic to your website. When choosing which companies to align yourself with in affiliate marketing, choose companies that sell products your visitors are interested in purchasing. You earn more money when users click on or purchase products using your affiliate links, so it makes sense to choose things that are likely to interest your website visitors. Use the templates from your affiliate programs, but make the content unique to you and your audience. If someone clicks on your page and sees an obvious copy and paste template with no personal information or content, they are going to click away and not come back. You can use the templates as they are usually proven items, but make sure to include yourself in it or you'll drive your clients away. Post testimonials about your product or service on your website. Testimonials help to build trust, as they tend to help alleviate risk for a potential buyer. When a potential customer reads of another person's successes with your product, they will be apt to envision themselves in that person's shoes and become more likely to make the purchase. A great affiliate marketing tip is to offer excellent customer service to your customers. No customer will stand by a company or business that won't even bother responding to their emails or phone calls. By promptly addressing people's concerns, you will be providing excellent customer service to your customers. Try hover ads instead of pop-ups. Hover ads are less intrusive than pop-ups, taking up less screen space and allowing the reader to view the ad when they are ready. The ads are written in DHTML, a combo of Java and HTML. Hover ads often outperform standard pop-up ads and work great for promoting new products or services, testimonials, or an opt-in subscription. As already demonstrated, affiliate marketing has great benefits for both businesses. It also helps create a partnership between businesses, where only a competition existed before. This is a wonderfully beneficial partnership for both businesses. By understanding the concepts in this video and implementing them for your business, you can achieve a greater degree of success. Now that you have been told the basics of affiliate marketing, the next thing is to join an affiliate marketing program. Traffic is the lifeblood of affiliate marketing. I have very good news for you. You can get highly targeted traffic from YouTube at just 3 clicks of the mouse. How? By using a software called Widely. Widely allows you to create and rank articles and videos with only 3 clicks. You don't need to create an article, create backlinks, or know SEO technique. The software does it for you. These are some of the things that the software will do for you. 1. Reverse engineers Google and ranking system. 2. Finds untapped buyer keywords that can easily be exploited. 3. Gets you ranked thanks to perfect SEO optimized titles, DSC and tags. 4. Works in English, French, or any other language, and in any niche. 5. Drives 100% free visitors from Google and YouTube. 6. Tap into the massive potential of SEO without actually knowing SEO. Best of all, if you have any doubt, try for 30 days, and if for any reason you are not 100% satisfied, you will get your money back 100%. For a similar platform on the internet, you will be paying a minimum of $97 a month. But with Vividly, you will make only a one-time payment of $47 if you purchase directly from the original creators by clicking the link in the description. Click the link in the description to learn more.